guys, welcome back to me or my mom's channel, because I'm recording this on two different phones, one for my channel, one for my mom's.
Woo!
So, we're gonna be unboxing Scholastic stuff that I just got from school.
No, that's not how you open. You go on the guys. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Yeah, careful. I don't trust you with this. I'll do it. You can open it up.
Okay, so this is what we ordered. So this is neat handwriting book. So like, it teaches you neat handwriting and stuff. Oh, and my favorite comic books in the world right now is Avatar, which we just bought the whole entire collection.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. I'm going to
And
read this too.
I also got this book named Twinning by Alex Moses.
Here, show it in the camera.
Alexa Moses. But I think it's really cute, the little cover, because like you can see that they're different. Even though they're sisters, you don't have to be the same.
Oh, this is the free one because we bought 100 plus. So we got this for free. Twinnings by Alexis Moses.
And we also got a little one that I've been reading at school that I've been wanting to have at home, so I could read it at home. Maybe start on the channel of reading, maybe, I don't know. I know the future, to be honest.
I don't know the future.
The Terrible
That's
Trio,
so good, Paige.
the Not So Superheroes.
So have you read all of your book? Do you know the other one? What was that page? The set one. What's this one? The other one.
Oh, Dog Diaries.
Yeah, have you read all of
Yeah.
it? Okay.
So,
Oh, this is so cool. How many is it in there? 12? 18?
81. 18, actually.
What 81?
So these are the different chapters. Imbalance, and there's only 3 parts. North and South part, and
That's
3
so
parts
good.
again.
Let's not
Smoke and
forget
Shadow part 3 again. The Rift part 3. The Search part 3.
Can I open this?
The Promise part
Oh,
3. So
definitely.
this is how many books there are in total. 18. I'll even count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yep, there are. So, right now at school I've already seen North and South. I've already read that. Smoke and Shadow, The Rift, and The Search. But I'm just going to read them again at home because I've seen this. That is so many. Ow.
Too heavy?
It went on my leg. It went on my bone and I think it moved.
Okay.
So that's a lot of them. I'm just going to open this up and see how.
Is it 8 o'clock already?
I've already been doing this actually.
Yeah, but
At school I already do this handwriting.
That's okay, at least you can still do it. Let's see. There's spray thing that you can actually do it. Wow, this is full page. Cool.
So guys, I don't know about you, but these look really cool to me. Like The Last Airbender. I'm gonna like keep them in like order.
You say thanks for watching?
Dad, you're in my video!
No, he's not really.
I'm finishing up dinner.
Okay, we're finishing it. Okay.
7 o'clock.
So the first
coming.
ones are gonna be The Promise,
Mm-hmm.
and then the second one you should probably read would be The Search.
Mm-hmm. That's so cool.
I'm gonna put them in.
No, just put it back. Like this.
Sorry, that was the search.
Okay. So thanks for watching.
No, not yet. Mummy, I have to show them. How do you get this out? Mom, can you get the green ones out, please?
Wow. You just step it out.
Oh.
It's like that. Green. Just one green. We're going
Yeah.
to have dinner. Okay.
So these are the green. This is one of the green ones.
Alright, no more because your daddy's.
Okay. So guys, that is all for today. We hope you enjoyed the video.